Tabit cho kari angej dul madit makilwani World Bank uti ko kwanya chingi ikon magi bubiri ka chwalo ne Uganda pigena wa waji kanyi check ma wakati kere manyen magiti ka lungone ni anti-homosexuality bill CLAUDE mona beri ki kera me beri ping me loke pasta Obina mo botor iwa wiye ne matiano a pa World Bank eni nene ningi kumwando te der kong wa win kong report eni ka wadugi
kare wa ber ka penyo tambore tutwale ikiet ma don lobo tela wi lobo kidong tamu kan papa ba lobe kijema time wi lobo so amero tin itetwa pa World Bank ne obuter wa kwene wa deno chan kete wa beru no yo mukene me bakke na ko bedo na bon deno chan I lobo Uganda
Grandpastor Obina, kar malach, gamenta me Uganda berka lake, kichan madon berka time. Gamenta mafuti gamete kumberi tetela pa President Museveni. Oneno lok me rocho kid me nung lonyo. Ento dueng beno beru tie me tek. Uganda berka kwa kilim. Maki dana kilim maki miyo machalo kon pikar malach ento aloga ono dong tie ni lim mukene mir dana gutia tia ki pajo ki chok machalo muchoro ka wa ko kon tich bilwak ento ko beon bertie ni dendo cher la mal twal dirma ya chul ne biyelu dan te ko menu ke ken Chiana mapol ki budget trillion para boro ikom budget me trillion pier ngwen we aber nyu pier bit chiaro ka chulu banya chi kumbete ni World Bank go joro ni le miyo le modon pere meden bor Uganda manti mu wani ni
Uganda we bero ni ning
da bon ma bo timi komwa mena machiel Kape ke mere muchor malo chi jeme mogo mao no ke yobo ni merotine chale por gurigi konyo bulu ki yo mukene mapol project me download mukene pigi magi mogo don po botime onyo mogo ka otime pedo botime o irwamo ni chani manyutu ni speed me download brak chan mi ario cap speed me dans lobo o darchen che log me teach joma pol go burwenyu tije machalo bulu go ber la bon tij ma pol ki dong mege ben go ber la bon tij ma pol per mo kana mara bion ka tij per ye kolo ki timme bal bunya ben ma tek machala duki
ya una mero ne etet jemi angwen ma Uganda matalo lobo ramote mone we kwa metanyim
me achel Uganda mero unong wap manyen kilobo nyoki dul mukene mapat mageramo miyo lim were o kon teach kimi ario Uganda omyero goyo kukat chuma gamenda kikome ukat lim pikato chuma mapapa memeto rom meje malufu gipuro wakchuke o cherlo mawako o kel cente ma ake wako mono enoni pere tak kidong ugeng dano ter chene lo mawako ka welo jeme ke kun mena madek Uganda miro neni logman me corruption onyo ku I offices machana mo miro ti dak vura kong kwalo ni o miro kilwenyi ye matak dul machalo IGG dul machalo Auditor General dul machalo State House Anti-Corruption Unit police wakilo tela kilo lodge mo kene wa parliament duju miro go rip chingi kaneno ni lim makome tie makome kumo nyugoba mo umiro bet pe ye na mangwen ene ye omyero kineni ke widening tax base te loni jami maki tiu maki chuli ye muchor omyero kinya obin mapol wek lim makonyo tich pagamente pian en nyurni pasian marama apa ken mano ka World Bank po miyo chene no Uganda rwenyo chene ki pasian apa ken pasian apa ni ka ki no jang dio mukene mekelu lim si pasian apa ni will be covered beda obukaro obuchero mo
Obina me to wiene ma don ngomo time chao kan I want to there peno wine yang ni chena non te ka do get ka flowing ba pe ka bo ma ko so pastor tier e wa ma bela ni cho wa kan ni muchoro cha ka ba we gilu ti na magiti otiu diapers muchoro mobile man muchoro dong left right and center and I do one of the things that we pastor ti wa je mir yat mar.
Yeah, because at the end of it all, I know me gene reasons of backing up my bed. Why ni kena World Bank withdrawing? Why ni gen pegi me chenda Uganda because of the law my Uganda signing? But I just want to make a little comment. Come on, Ernie. Gen ma World Bank otim kong ma chel kong nyoro ni African countries ki wilo third world countries they are not independent as we say as per se. Because ka we love multi-independent and self-ruling and democracy ma make it work or practicing. Democracy ten loketi and get lodge cam and they can come out with the laws. Check omyero governing we love make it. Now again my World Bank clearly tells you that you know what carry no why you're independent and you're not independent. And that is very true. And that is a threat to democracy in Africa generally and the third world countries. Not on Africa, because Kariwa Asia bere, you know that those third world countries, ma gitiwa chalo with Uganda. So, mono kong ma chel kong, what does it mean? The Pan-Africanism, no, President Yoweri Museveni, the Muammar Gaddafi, the Kwame Nkrumah, the late, my young girl when you preaching, at Harmony, this is the time the AU, Africa Union, merdongu be pain. Because enepo wecharka affecting Uganda kene, remember, my Uganda ukatike chike Ghana beno katikere, awinyu wa Kenya bene they want to revoke that law back. So you can imagine now where is democracy in Africa and the third world countries. Withstanding that, Nyoroni, the effect don't bear on me and you, Emma.
Of course.
And the unfortunate bill in Loka chama kirma pasta wajikere is at the highest peak.
Yes.
Joma eno law office mapa apartment ka wa eno miero go fighting corruption. They are the very people know ni ka kenyo eno ni bene ka miero ki binu ki running your case ko miero ke chul ngar mo in the judiciary system. So unless we get back lokma ki waje ni marpa lobo ni by our state agency, by our state officials and the government at large, if not Emma, we should prepare for the worst.
Exactly. And Sarah, lawyer, you don't let it there. Yeah. The rich are going to get richer and the poor are going to get poor. Pian well Jimmy do metal la mal, near kiti what you peke you or Jimmy Mugu pian funding your loan anyway not to age World Bank part. Tell me.
You know, the more income inequalities. Income inequality tieni jomateke chiana geteke chiana bana chiana ge pigit bana pichok. They have it every day. And it is always there. Joma pegi chiana benongo chinjui, luchan nong beru luchan matwara. Ento amete wanero machek. Chiane mawano losing ilokum chamchana. Mani eni ke kwalo. Le wo president ka da ne ke kwalo chiane mi chiaro kati nads. Minister of Agriculture. One meno duk limo Emma. Ka ini nero chilia di mawano losing chamchana. Kano ki kertiana ene karachel no watike billion ache leken mano rem ichiana mano miorgamento ti kwere magamo chalo den i World Bank manyuti kano chamchana pe konya chiana mi gamo chiane i World Bank no bena beru pe ento PM chiane maki gamni en jo achelo no miorgo controlling chamchana kira don waje kwere ni gi kwalo oweko peko tie chiane mo wanto ka kwale eni Kan watika kateti mati we don't need World Bank. Kidma President Museveni waji kwereni. We don't need World Bank. And we are saying we need World Bank because we have leaders. Lutela machingi kiremu. Lutela madugi kila.
Sarah G, why can you one of the things make me kitema tong kong parliament dock into halves.
Yes.
Yes. Into halves.
Every district should send 2 members of parliament.
That's the taxpayers' money. I can look at my ma pasta te watch and ki joke down my charka spending chana gi waka spending chana in Uganda. Geno you why can you bubu buy Uganda, build Uganda. We're channel doing Uganda.
But also
annually Uganda ebo no.
Also pastor needs to be corrected. Then I'm going to come here but will Jimmy Uganda. The quality must be there.
That has
they don't need Emma you don't give chatty money they will that will and because it is Ugandan. I'm not going to buy any product for Uganda as long as it is fake and substandard. Come here what will Jimmy Mamegwa build Uganda, support Uganda, our things must have class.
Sarah, I think it don't calls for all departments Uganda to do their job.
Yeah.
Uganda National Bureau of Standards has to do their jobs. IGG has to do their job.
Yeah.
Auditor General has to do their job. Jomone chani.
The State House Unit.
State House
Anti-corruption unit.
Yes. Jomone chani magi checking quality control
URSB.
Yes, they also have to do their job. So down one team TG we Arabit ki yemo ne ka will chat me Uganda.
And Jui and State House Anti-corruption unit ki IGG. Pingo monopaki twerka merging jo need to become one body. Pingoni chienda tika baleka kan in a Jubilee House in your IGG's office at Jubilee House. Then when a State House kuno Kelo House kuno Entebbe ya but I know they sit at a Kelo House kan enemy Nakasero. Bene chienda tika cherka Kenya ene under that department alone no dana makara pa tika tiyu Kenya
and mchara mdo.
And they're doing the same kind of job. They have disempowered actually disempowered the IGG. Why can't we merge department and
any ke ilo mabeni they have disempowered
the IGG?
Watiki jo manok magukwana Uganda kan magana mokana tie mapigariak mokana betie magipegi kartach and PM gitiki connection gitika no teach
masqueraders
gitika no teach ento miti yok lokene amir wachi ilo cha mon lokom African Union kidma gramo teach kwere kara chil miti yok pera nyo pera tika bir PM amir wachi ni African Union which akama wan kwiri primary do mo ilo African Union AU is a toothless dog
toothless backing dog
what more can again go to in their capacity pay. So if you are saying the AU is going to solve the problem of Africa,
no, what I'm saying, I'm calling upon them to check themselves.
And I tell what any Roma ke te watch IGG you bino do any corruption in Uganda.
Yeah.
Gitika we mere mo yai come ke mete mere
mo ya met ba.
Gitika we grease come we are yen maleng ni gitika teach and to cool tika mete that's why they
are toothless.
Timo kimoko PM tika back pitika konyo wakilo kwa luku we ni tunga mwaka nchinjwi chido ere gina miyanko
enen werva tama mengo kanyo tika